Hello, in this video, we talk about how to track the expiry dates. Because every single expired item you throw away is literally cash in trash. If you run a business or manage inventory, tracking expiry dates isn't optional. It's your profit margin. This gives you a buffer to discount the item, to donate it, or use it before it expires. So don't guess it, start tracking and save your cash. So in this example, we do have the product A, the location in the warehouse, batch code that we have, receiving date, production date, as well as the expiry date. So here in this column, we see the current stock. So how we calculate the days to expiry? It's basically a dynamic countdown, which is calculating the expiry date, subtracting by today. It gives you a days to expiry. And let's categorize this one with the index, like if it's a minus, it means that it's already passed, so we call it as expired. Or it's less than maybe 10 days, we call it as at risk, otherwise it's in a good condition. So let's see how we can put this one in our status. So if the days to expiry is less than 0, it is expired. And if days to expiry is more than, maybe 20 days, it's in a good condition, otherwise it's at risk. Let's drag it. So for this one, 77 days remain of the shelf life, which is in a good condition. This one is already passed, so it's expired. However, we have this one SKU, which 15 days left and remained from the shelf life, which is at risk. So up to now, we calculate the expiry days and the status. So this is good for your calculation. However, let's take one more step to assume in a situation that you have 77 days. However, from shipping out from your warehouse until being on the shelf and being sold, there is a buffer of like 30 days. So it means that if your SKU has 30 days or less than 30 days remaining shelf life, you're not able to sell it because at the time that the consumer pick it up from the shelf, it's already expired. So let's calculate this one, which is days expiry minus the buffer. It gives you 40 days to sell this product. And again, for this one also we can put an indication, like if it's a positive number, it's in a good position to sell it. However, if it's minus, it cannot be sold. And we can simply make this indication here, which if this one is more than 0, it means that it's good to sell, otherwise cannot be sold. Oops, I missed comma. And here we go. For the items which has a 77 days remaining shelf life, it's in a good and it can be sold because at the time that it's going to be on the shelf, you have 47 days left to sell. However, for example, for this one, which is 9 days the remaining of the shelf life, so at the time that it's going to be on the shelf, it's already expired. So we cannot sell this one. And here we go. Very